new portion of my rings and some hard choices about how to sand them. So this one is made out of golden clay, just golden, and it has very subtle spiral here, and I specifically baked 2 spirals like this to try and sand them and see if there is anything that is going to be revealed or preserved. So there will be some choices to be made. This ring, I'm going to sand its backside so that it's more smooth, but overall it's a ready thing. Now I made these ones out of the one piece, so this one I'm also gonna sand and buff. This I'm not gonna sand the front part too much. I'm gonna sand the back side a little, so this one is more like funky one. This ring I made out of old gold piece, and there was a very nice spiral here, but unfortunately while baking it kind of smashed, and I am going to sand it. I was thinking if I'm going to sand it or not, but there is no choice. I'll have to sand it to see what is going to be revealed. I'm also going to sand all these parts. So I basically mixed this old gold clay and some of my scraps. So, and then this one is made entirely out of scraps, and it's like more artistic one, more boho one. I like it very much, and I will sand this part, and I will use very fine grit on the sides, probably so that I don't hopefully erase it glistening. So these are how they look. And these two I buffed them yesterday, but then I decided to return and sand these parts, and they will probably take some of the gleam here from here, but you know, I mean, it's a choice. There is some trade-off here. And I also have this one that I'm also going to sand here from this part, and I painted it before baking with mica powder. Now unfortunately it shows the lack of skill of painting, so I will have to buff or I will have to sand some of these. I don't know what it will result in. Maybe I'll erase all this altogether. I don't know, we will see. So these are my new rings, and this is the moment before sanding, and hopefully I will show you after soon, okay?